If you own stock and you're not selling covered calls, you are literally leaving cash on the table. Let me explain why. When you own stock, you can only make money when the stock goes up. And while it's going up, it's only a paper gain. Can you spend that anywhere? No. You get the advantage, the excitement from seeing it on a computer screen or on your statement. Well, what if you can create cash in your pocket from that stock you already have? I'm talking about selling covered calls. Selling covered calls is the most conservative trading strategy there is. You literally get guaranteed income in your pocket when you make the trade. You don't buy some stock and wait for it to go up or hope and pray that it goes up and then sell it and then make money. No. You actually get paid right away. And when you sell a covered call, you pick the strike price. So what you're doing is you're choosing, hey, I'm okay selling the stock at X dollars, which should be more than what you paid for it, of course. Otherwise, you would lose money, right? It's like saying I would rather have a guaranteed $100 in my pocket today than wait a month and maybe make 150. That's exactly what it is. So if you already own stock and you're not selling a covered call, you are missing the boat. You literally cannot lose money. You already have the volatility on the stock shares because you already have the stock. And again, that's a paper gain or a paper loss as that stock goes up and down. But it's guaranteed income in your pocket. Why would you not do that? Now here is the only risk in selling a covered call on stock that you already have. If the stock goes way up, you might lose some of the price appreciation, right? So your limit is capped to the premium that you get for selling the call. But again, I would rather have a guaranteed $100 in my pocket today than some possible maybe $150 or something possible 1 month from now. You get the idea. And the great part about it is you keep the premium no matter what happens. So when you sell a covered call, here's what a covered call is. I own the stock for $100 and right now it's trading at $105. I sell a $110 call, meaning that I'm gonna sell my shares if the price stays above $110 by the expiration date. You pick the expiration date, by the way, and you also pick the strike price, the price at which you're committing to sell your shares. Now, if the stock doesn't go higher than $110, you keep the shares, you keep the premium, and you sell another contract next week. It's like printing money. Why are you not doing that? Maybe you never learned how before. If that's the case, I have tons of free videos here on this channel. Subscribe, like the video. I'm also running a live event on October 11th, Saturday, 10 a.m. Pacific time for 2.5 hours. I'm gonna go screen by screen and show you exactly how to implement this process. The best part about it, it's only $99. Register below.